In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, and let me show you how to remove unknown fingerprint on the following device. So if you have both fingerprint and PIN code, and you know a PIN code only, and you want to remove fingerprint, or maybe you just want to remove added fingerprint, just open the settings at first, then find and select biometrics and security, and click on fingerprints. Now enter your unlock pattern, so it was 1, 2, 3, 4, tap on done then, and here you can smoothly remove your fingerprint by tapping on fingerprint 1 and tap on remove then. Then confirm that you would like to delete this fingerprint by tapping on remove, and that's it. As you can see, it's no longer here, and you can unlock your device with this PIN code only now. So this is it. This is how you can get rid of unwanted fingerprint on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.